Rheinmetall BAE Systems Land, RBSL, confirmed via LinkedIn the official delivery of the first Boxer 8x8 armored vehicle manufactured at the Telford facility to the British Army. The vehicle was transferred from the assembly, integration, and test line to Bovington Camp, where it will serve as a training platform to prepare crews in driving, operating, and maintaining the modern combat vehicle. This milestone marks a significant moment in the UK defence sector, representing the tangible return of domestic armoured vehicle production after decades of reliance on imported or legacy platforms. The Boxer 8x8 is designed to meet the demands of modern warfare, providing high protection, modular mission adaptability, and exceptional mobility. Its entry into service under the Mechanized Infantry Vehicle Program is expected to deliver over 500 vehicles in multiple variants, each configured to enhance the operational capabilities of the British Army. The Telford facility plays a central role in this £2.3 billion program, acting as both a production hub and a centre for the integration of advanced vehicle systems. Weighing up to 38 tons, the Boxer 8x8 is one of the most advanced wheeled armoured platforms currently in operation worldwide. Its modular design allows rapid swapping of mission modules within hours, offering flexibility that traditional fixed-hull vehicles cannot match. Protection levels are exceptionally high, with modular armor providing defense against ballistic threats, mines, and improvised explosive devices, IEDs. This makes the vehicle suitable for deployment in high-threat environments, allowing infantry units to operate with confidence even in contested areas. The Boxer is powered by an MTU diesel engine delivering approximately 530 kilowatts, 710 horsepower, providing a maximum road speed of 103 km per hour and a range exceeding 1,000 km. Such mobility ensures that units equipped with the Boxer can maneuver rapidly across complex terrain, redeploy as needed, and maintain operational tempo in high-intensity combat scenarios. Armament options are diverse, ranging from remote weapon stations fitted with 12.7 mm heavy machine guns to 40 mm automatic grenade launchers. Certain configurations allow mounting of turreted cannons up to 30 mm, enabling the vehicle to engage a wide variety of threats effectively. This new generation platform offers a substantial leap over the vehicles it replaces. The British Army's aging FV-432 Bulldog and Warrior IFVs, some of which trace their origins to the Cold War, have struggled to keep pace with modern operational demands. These legacy platforms often lack the protection, mobility, and digital integration required for contemporary high-intensity conflict. The Boxer addresses these deficiencies, offering enhanced crew survivability through advanced armor, improved battlefield situational awareness via integrated electronics, and seamless networking with other forces on the battlefield. With the Warrior retired from upgrade programs and the Bulldog approaching the end of its service life, the Boxer ensures that mechanized infantry units will maintain cutting-edge capabilities well into the 2040s. Operational flexibility is a defining feature of the Boxer. Its modular design allows commanders to tailor the vehicle for various mission profiles, from conventional peer-level conflict to peacekeeping and humanitarian operations. The vehicle's armor enables direct deployment into contested zones with minimal risk, while its mobility and speed allow rapid reaction to changing battlefield conditions. Integrated digital systems provide secure communications and real-time data sharing, ensuring that the Boxer is fully synchronized with command structures and allied forces. This connectivity enables faster decision-making, enhanced coordination, and increased survivability against threats ranging from artillery strikes to unmanned aerial systems. The timing of the Boxer's introduction coincides with a volatile and increasingly complex global security environment. The ongoing war in Ukraine has highlighted the intensity and technological sophistication of modern land warfare, prompting NATO members to accelerate modernization of their armored forces. For the UK, the Boxer program enhances the nation's contribution to NATO's eastern flank deterrence posture while simultaneously reinforcing domestic defense resilience. It also reflects the government's broader commitment to revitalizing its land combat capabilities, ensuring the Army can project credible power both within Europe and globally amid renewed great power competition. Beyond battlefield performance, the Boxer program carries significant industrial and economic benefits. By establishing full-rate production within the UK, RBSL secures thousands of jobs, strengthens domestic supply chains, and enhances the nation's sovereign defense manufacturing capacity. The program positions the UK as a potential export hub for future Boxer variants, opening avenues for international defense collaboration while reinforcing the country's strategic autonomy in defense production. This investment demonstrates a clear alignment between national security priorities and industrial strategy, emphasizing the importance of modern, homegrown military capability. The program's design philosophy also emphasizes adaptability to future threats. The modular architecture allows the British Army to reconfigure vehicles quickly for evolving operational requirements, including the integration of emerging technologies such as directed energy weapons, advanced sensors, and automated systems. This ensures that the Boxer will remain relevant and effective even as the battlefield evolves over the coming decades. In essence, the platform represents not only a capability upgrade but a long-term strategic investment in the Army's ability to respond to unpredictable and high-intensity threats. Crew training forms another critical aspect of the Boxer rollout. At Bovington Camp, soldiers will learn to operate and maintain the vehicle efficiently, ensuring that the British Army's mechanized units can extract maximum performance from the new platform. Comprehensive training covers driving under varied terrain conditions, utilizing the full range of weaponry, managing the vehicle's digital systems, and executing rapid module changes. By investing in high-quality training alongside the delivery of advanced vehicles, the UK ensures that its armoured forces achieve operational effectiveness from day one. As NATO and allied forces continue to modernize in response to shifting security dynamics, the Boxer 8x8 positions the British Army at the forefront of armoured capability. Its blend of mobility, protection, modularity, and digital integration addresses both current operational needs and anticipated future challenges. With this delivery, the UK demonstrates not only its commitment to national defence sovereignty but also its ability to contribute effectively to collective security initiatives. In summary, the arrival of the first British-built Boxer 8x8 marks a transformative moment for the UK defence sector. The vehicle combines advanced armour protection, powerful mobility, and adaptable modular design to meet the demands of modern land warfare. It replaces legacy platforms, enhances operational flexibility, and ensures troops are equipped to handle contemporary and future threats. Moreover, by establishing domestic production, the Boxer program reinforces national defense sovereignty, strengthens the industrial base, and secures economic and strategic advantages for the United Kingdom. With full-rate production underway, the British Army is set to deploy a next-generation armoured capability that will define mechanized operations for decades to come.